Hello, hello guys. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Nicole Cheney. I'm coming live at you from Ontario, Canada. Okay, so today we are going to be making some fat bombs. Okay, what I hear the most from keto is everyone has troubles getting their fats up and they crave sweets all the time. So I'm going to, well, kill two birds with one stone, so to speak, with this recipe here. Okay, so when you pop on the live, you can drop me a 1. If you're watching the replay, you can drop me a 2. All right, so let me just move you on back. Okay, and I haven't done anything other than measure everything out beforehand. Okay, so I've done nothing. This is cream cheese in my bowl. It is a cup of cream cheese softened in my bowl, okay? And then I have my other ingredients down here, which I'm going to angle you down. There you go. So now you can see. Let me see. Where should this go? This should go over here. I'll move further down then. That'll work. Because as you can see, I'm trying to figure out different angles. Ooh, my camera. Let's see which works best. Hey, Jane, how's it going? Okay, so, there we go. There, now you can see a little bit better. So I know a lot of you guys want the written recipe. It'll be on the link above once I've done the video. I just didn't have time for the video to get it up there. And then also, a lot of you guys always ask me for my other recipes, okay? A lot of you guys don't know this, but I have a YouTube channel where I actually upload all my lives to afterwards. So if you want to go back and watch any of my cooking videos, you are more than welcome to do it there. You just search my name and you can find it, okay? So this is 1 cup of cream cheese softened in a bowl, okay? Then we're just going to add all the ingredients. So I have half a cup of butter here that's softened. We're just going to add this to the bowl. Add this to the bowl. Have any of you guys had some chocolate chip cookie dough fat bombs? For those of you who've been watching me for a little bit, have you tried the last fat bomb I did on here? The chocolate cheesecake one? Oh, so good. So good. The chocolate cheesecake one and this one are probably my 2 favorites. It's the ones that we make the most actually around here. Yeah, we love it. Love it. So that's half a cup of softened butter, okay? And then we're gonna have half a cup of almond butter, okay? So this is the almond butter that I get here, okay? And I actually found this, I'm in Canada, okay? I found this in No Frills. We have a brand new No Frills. Thank you, honey. They just got this brand new organic section and I will show you what I'm making afterwards, okay? All right? And I will get you more chocolate afterwards too, okay? Okay. Don't touch the chocolate. It's going in the fat bombs, honey, okay? Fat bombs. So I got this at the No Frills that's in my area. We got a brand new organic section, but I've also seen almond butter at the Wawa Superstore. Any health food store would actually have this as well. Look at them all coming in saying hi. Right? And any help, like, you can also find it on Amazon as well. All this stuff too. All these health products are all on Amazon as well. If you're a Prime member, it's actually sometimes cheaper to get it off of Amazon than it is to go into the store and get it. So look out for that. For us, almond flour and noodles, we always buy off Amazon because it's actually cheaper on Amazon for us because we're a Prime member than to go to the store and get it. So that's where we get most of our noodles and almond flour from. Keto-friendly noodles, of course, guys. Keto-friendly noodles, okay? So we're going to add the almond butter to our mixing bowl here. Okay. Lots and lots of almond butter. It's half a cup, okay? Half a cup. If I didn't say that already, of almond butter. Oh, Mommy, you hear that? Oh, Mommy, I want some. Look at her. I want some. Then we're going to add the swerve. So this is 1/3 of the swerve. And what we're going to do now is we're going to start mixing it. Okay, so we're gonna start mixing it together. Okay. Mix, mix, mix. Normally I do this in a mixer, but I thought with a bowl it would be easier for you guys to see. So, but I don't know. We may have to switch to a mixer. It's tough to mix up here. Oh, there we go. I'm starting to get a groove here. So definitely use a food processor or a mixer to do it. Makes it a lot easier to do. Side note, okay? Side note. So how many of you guys that watch me are actually keto, or do you just watch me because I'm hilarious? I don't know. Some of you guys just watch me because I'm hilarious. Which is great. Love it. Because I do a whole bunch of different kinds of videos, other than just cooking videos too, right? I'm not quite done yet. You can have some when I'm done. Thank you. No, you don't need any help right now, honey. If you're a keto, drop some bacon in the comments. Okay, I want to know if you're keto. How long have you been keto too? I want to know how long have you been keto. I personally been keto. It's almost been 16 months. It's just under 16 months I've been keto for. And I've never had a cheat day. Okay, I've never gone over my carb limit. Never ever any of that stuff. I am very good even when I travel. Okay, I'm very good when I travel too. It's like, because this is legit the easiest thing you could ever change your lifestyle to be. Because everywhere there's somewhere it's keto friendly, okay? Here we go. Okay, so we are mixed. We are mixed. We are mixed. A little bit of butter chunks, but what you gonna do about that? Now we're gonna add some March 2019. Oh, nice. Hi. Hello. So now we're gonna have 1 teaspoon of vanilla as extract for flavoring. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna add chocolate chips. Okay, so I have Lily's dark chocolate chips. Well, not the chocolate chip ones, but I got the bar and I cut it up. Because you can get both, okay? You can get the chips or you can get the bar. So I got the bar and I cut it all up. Okay. Okay. Now we have the mixture all done, okay? And it's half a cup of chocolate chips, guys. Half a cup, okay? Half a cup. And again, I will have the written recipe above at the link. I just didn't have time to get it all together before this video, and I do apologize for it, okay? At this stage, you can use an ice cream scoop to scoop them out. I'm not fancy. I don't have that sort of stuff, okay? So what I do is I just grab a little bit of the dough, say like this much, okay? And I just make it into a ball here. I stick it on a plate, and I'll stick it in the freezer for an hour. Another way that you can do it, here, I'll just lift this up. Boop, 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 boop. Another way you can also do this is after you're done mixing it, you can put it in the fridge for a half hour so it gets a little bit hardened, okay? And then you can actually scoop it out. You can use your hands to make like the perfect ball, okay? The perfect ball. And then you can put those balls in the freezer for a half hour after that, and then you can leave. Then they are good to go. So you can do it that way too, okay? So that is how you make the chocolate chip cookie dough. Fat bombs. They are delicious. You need to try these, okay? You need to try these. No, you're not going to get this stool to come over to Mommy, okay? Mommy, it's almost done. We're about to say goodbye. Do you want to say goodbye to everyone? They can see you. Do you want to say goodbye? Say bye. Bye. Yeah, bye. And I'll be back tomorrow with another video coming at you, okay, from Ontario. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to pass it along to someone, or if you love my personality and want like see all my cooking videos videos because I do tons of them. Slap me in the face. Slap, slap, slap. Top right hand corner, there's going to be 3 little dots. You hit the 3 little dots, go follow Steve first, and you'll never miss one of my videos. Okay? Alright, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.